In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix HP DeskJet 4122e printer note printing. The most common reason for note printing is there is no paper available in the paper tray. So if your paper is already finished, it will not print. And the second reason is the wireless. If you go to the printer screen, you will see there is a blue light. So if you send a print command and if this light is not available, then it will not print. The third reason can be the ink problem, like if you don't have enough ink in the cartridge, even then the printer will not print, or if the print heads are jammed, even then it will not print. So you have to fix that. And the last reason may be the paper jam. If the paper is stuck inside the printer and there will be the error light flashing on the printer. So if you fix that, then it will work. So these are the 4 most common reasons your HP DeskJet 4122e printer is not printing. Thanks for watching.